You can make chicken jerky at home. What an interesting snack! You will need the following spices: 1 teaspoon each, ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and the juice of 1 lemon. Place your marinade in a jar and then prepare your 4 chicken breasts, nice and clean and sliced really thin. Place the chicken in the marinade overnight, refrigerated. The next day, the meat will be full of flavor, ready to flatten as much as possible. Now, oil a baking tray. Arrange the pieces flat in your tray and then place in a cool oven. I left the oven door open for 4, 5, 6 hours until the pieces were nice and crispy, chewy and browned, turning once in a while. And they're ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to the channel.